third point is design modularity. Unfortunately, not only was Crossrail disaggregated into 37 individual contracts, they were all highly bespoke, hardly any modularity, plug and play. Almost all of Crossrail has been built in situ, tested in situ, commissioned and integrated in situ. Instead of building things in factories, testing them in factories, bringing them to the site and plugging them together like modules. So the design modularity of Crossrail was really lacking. And that occurred because the procurement flowed a lot of requirements expertly into the supply chain, but gave too much latitude for tier 1 and tier 2 contractors to have different pumps, different CCTV, different protocols, different interface protocols. So design modularity. If I was at the beginning of a mega program now, Anthony's dealing with HS2, phase 2B, I think, I would be all over modularity. Could we build this in a factory somewhere and bring it to site and plug it in? And that would have saved a lot of grief on Crossrail, particularly at the end, when, as you all know, getting to this infrastructure, 9 central stations in Crossrail, all of them are 10 stories deep in one of the world's most complex cities. Trying to test and commission something in that environment is very, very hard. So I think for everybody at the beginning of programs, design modularity is the key. My classic example on Crossrail are doors. We all know how complex doors are on underground stations. We created an environment where the architects could create bespoke holes that we then go and buy doors. We've got thousands of different shaped doors on Crossrail. Instead of saying, we'll have 10 doors, and the architects can make the station look beautiful around our 10 standard modular doors, all of them with the right fire damping, the right contacts, the right fire hardness, the safety certificate, 10 doors manufactured by 2 or 3 manufacturers. There are 10,000 doors on Crossrail, and a lot of them are different. So design modularity, number 3 lesson for me.